Vi kan höga hon. So, another beautiful day in Schonap. We are on top of our house. You see, there's another train. So just wanted to show you what we've been working on. We changed our minds with regards to how much the roof should stick out on the sides. Let me just show you what that means and what we've been working on. So if you look over here, you'll see that the roof sticks out this much now, which is the new size. But before it stuck out that much. So we removed 3 planks, and it's quite a difference, and it looks much more balanced now. But there's quite a few of them, so we have to cut them all to size. Okay, so right now we are in the kitchen / living room, and as you can see, there's the ceiling, and there's a lot of panels, wooden panels that are going to be installed here, and we need to add these kind of blocks in order to be able to attach them, and I need to do quite a lot, so I guess like sort of 80. And in order to do that quickly, I've got this sample here. Can't find it now. But anyway, they all got to be this length. And in order to do this quickly, I built this jig. So basically from here you feed in a plank, and then here it stops on this stop, and I just run the saw back and forth here. And in order to fine tune it, I added this screw so I could just drill it in and out until it was just exactly right. So these planks here have been installed with a lot of precision by the builders. So if you get those just right, then they just hang there, which will be quite handy when I'll be later screwing them in. So I don't have to hold them while I screw them in. And this is another example of how you can save some time, I hope.